In the heart of Palakkad district, Kerala, a small village, Vengassery, near Tirthana, lies a land where tradition brings full rhythm, devotion, and celebration. Welcome to the vibrant world of the Vengassery Kavu Pooram festival. As the first light fades and the anticipation fills the air, the festival begins with a majestic sight. Elephants procession gracefully into the temple grounds. Their golden petal glimmers under the evening sky, setting the tone for a celebration like no other. The silence breaks. With the thunderous beats of Chenda Melam, the festival awakens. The rhythmic drumming echoes through every street, every home, every heart. The sound is not just music, it is the energy, it is tradition, it is Kerala's soul speaking now. Devotees gather in large numbers, their faces glowing with devotion and excitement. The grand procession begins. Elephants lead the way, followed by artists, dancers, and the villagers moving in harmony through the narrow temple streets. And then come the mesmerizing paradation. Performers adorned in traditional attire step into the spotlight. Their faces painted, their movements precise. They dance to the powerful rhythm of the Chenda. Each step is calculated, each beat synchronized, a perfect blend of discipline and patience. Around the temple, the atmosphere turns magical. Hundreds of lamps illuminated the surrounding, casting a golden glow over the temple structure. The temple stands radiant, surrounded by devotees offering prayers and hopes. The scent of incense fills the air, blending with the sound of drums and chants. The celebration continues with vibrant performances. Kavadi dance, a visual spectacle of color and devotion. Dancers carry beautifully decorated structures, moving with intense energy and spiritual fervor. Every movement tells a story of faith and dedication. Meanwhile, the elephant parade circles the temple, a symbol of grandeur and divine presence. The harmony between man, animal, and creation creates a scene that feels almost timeless. As the night deepens, excitement reaches its peak. The sky suddenly bursts into light. A dazzling display of fireworks lights up the darkness. Colors explode across the sky. Reds, greens, gold, etc., reflecting in the eyes of thousands watching you. The entire village pauses to witness this breathtaking finale. In that moment, under the sparkling sky, surrounded by rhythm, devotion, and joy, you don't just watch the festival, you feel it. This is not just a celebration, this is heritage, this is unity, this is the spirit of Vengassery Kavu Pooram. If you like the video, please like and comment below. Please subscribe and follow for more interesting, beautiful videos.